In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Analytics 4, GA4, with Google Ads. If you're looking to improve your marketing efforts and streamline your online advertising, integrating Google Analytics 4 with Google Ads is a fantastic way to go. This integration allows you to track user interactions, understand your audience better, and optimize your ads for better performance. So let's dive into the step-by-step process. First things first, you'll need to make sure you're logged into your Google account. Start by navigating to Google's home page. Once there, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account and enter your password. After putting in your credentials, simply click on Next to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll notice the Google Apps icon, also located at the top right corner of the page, next to your profile picture. Clicking on this will bring down a menu of all the different Google services available to you. From this list, you'll want to select Google Analytics. Now you're in your Google Analytics account, look toward the bottom left of the page for Admin Settings. A gear icon is typically used to represent this. Clicking on this will take you to the administrative section of your account, where you'll have access to various settings and features. Within the admin section, you'll need to find Product Links. This option allows you to connect different Google products to your analytics account, enhancing data sharing and reporting capabilities. Look for Google Ads links and click on it. This is where the magic of integration begins. After selecting Google Ads links, you'll be given the option to link your accounts. Click on Link to initiate the process. You'll then be prompted to choose which Google Ads accounts you want to link to your GA4 property. If you have multiple accounts, ensure that you select the correct one you intend to track and analyze through Google Analytics. Once you've made your selection, click on the chosen Google Ads account. Then you'll need to hit Confirm to verify that this is indeed the account you wish to link. This step is crucial as it ensures that the data flowing between your Google Ads and GA4 accounts is accurate and relevant to your analysis. Next, you'll be guided through a series of confirmation screens. These screens essentially summarize the choices you've made and ask you to review the permissions that will be granted upon linking the two accounts. Take a moment to carefully go through these details. When ready, click on Next to proceed to each subsequent confirmation screen. Finally, you'll reach the Submit button. Clicking on this completes the process of linking your Google Ads account with your Google Analytics 4 property. Congratulations, you've just enabled a powerful connection that allows for more sophisticated tracking of user interactions and ad performance. What's fantastic about this integration is the insights you gain. For instance, you're now able to see which ads are leading to conversions, understand the customer journey better, and tweak your advertising strategies based on solid data directly from your analytics. A tip to remember is to regularly check back on the data being shared between Google Ads and GA4. This ongoing monitoring will help you stay on top of your advertising game, making necessary adjustments to campaigns as user behavior and market dynamics change. Moreover, don't forget to explore the additional features and reporting tools that become available once these two powerful platforms are linked. From audience creation to cross-platform remarketing, the possibilities to enhance your digital marketing efforts are vast. So, that wraps up our tutorial on how to link GA4 with Google Ads. I hope you found this guide helpful and are feeling confident about connecting these two platforms. Remember, the integration of Google Analytics 4 and Google Ads is a step toward more data-driven decisions and ultimately more successful marketing campaigns. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more of our content for more tips, tricks and tutorials to boost your digital marketing skills.